Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a pocket flip. Today I will be doing a flip of my sugar cookie number 2 from Foxy Fix. So sugar is the leather, cookie is the color. Just to give you guys a run through, I've done a flip through of this before, but really quick. I have cream stitching on here. These are gray elastics. I did change out the elastics. They used to be cream. Here on the spine, I have a silver foiled heart. And that's pretty much it. It's compact, so it has 4 strings instead of wide, which has the 6. So let's go ahead and start with the things on the outside. Here on the spine, my spine charm is from Pigtail and Pockets. This is an ollie clip. And then this charm on the front is from Freckled Unicorn Planner. I will link everything that I can down below. So let's go ahead and jump in. So right here in the front, it's kind of chunky, but anyways, right here in the front, I have a clip here from Pigtail and Pockets. This is a Pigtail and Pockets and Fox and Pip collab. This was available in different skin tones. I don't think this is available anymore. Pigtail and Pockets just kind of reopened after a little bit of a hiatus. Again, the ollie clip from the front is, double-sided. And then here I have these, I'll just show you guys. I have these custom stickers that I got from Capital Chick Designs. So there I am. And then here, right here, I just have some acetate, some vellum, and then some of my favorite stickers from Golden Plans Co. Coffee Queen stickers, and then these Curly Girl stickers. And I just kind of keep those back there to kind of keep everything sturdy and as deco too. So moving on, all of these plastic things that you're going to see are mostly Foxy Fix. I will point out the 2 that are not. And then all my papers are either from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or Joann's. If I don't remember exactly where the paper is from, I'm sorry, but for the most part, they kind of have the same papers throughout their different stores. So let's go ahead and get started. This O initial I got from Michael's. This is a die cut from Golden Plans Co. The paper in the back, I believe, is from Michael's. This is a Foxy Fix dashboard, this plastic thing. In the inside here, this is just some paper from Michael's. This is a die cut from Golden Plans Co. I love that fro. I have acetate here from Michael's. A lot of my acetate and vellum is the same from my last setup. I just changed most of the papers and then the die cuts, and my inserts have also changed. This I got from a PR package when I first started with Golden Plans Co. back in July of 2017, so I don't know exactly where it's from. This vellum is from Hobby Lobby. This pink vellum is from Michael's, I believe. So here on the inside, I can show you because it's not like anything like top secret. But these are inserts from Annie Plants. All of my inserts are basically from Annie Plants unless I state otherwise. So this is what I just use this planner as a snapshot view of things. I know it kind of looks like a lot of stuff, but it is more so a snapshot of things. I do track my vitamins and my water and things like that. And like I said, this is on the go. So things that I have to do are usually put in this planner. My pregnancy milestones are also in here just to kind of remind me. This is from Ashley Lee Designs. This pen loop is from Freckled Unicorn Planner. This pen is a Pentel Energel Liquid Ink 0.7. I got these from, I don't remember, but I know I got this. This is the same one, but it's just, this one is like a heavier, a heavier casing than this, and this one I got from Target. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the inserts empty. Oh, here they are. I can just show you this side. So this is what the inserts look like. I'm sorry. This is what the inserts look like without writing. So very, like I said, you have, it's a horizontal view, then you have some habit trackers. You can track your meals, shopping list to do, and then some notes at the bottom. So those again are from Annie Plans. Then back here, this paper is from Michael's. This paper is also, it's double-sided, so they're from Michael's. Oops. This is moving around. This ombre bow is from Golden Plans Co. This sticky note is from Once More With Love. Oh, I forgot this guy, or this girl. This is from Golden Plans Co. And we're moving on, more paper from Michael's. This is a girl from Golden Plans Co. This is from Creative Keo. You guys can read that. This is, like I said, double-sided paper from Michaels again. And then I have that green paper again. This Beyonce die cut, she's so sassy, look at her, is from Golden Plants Co. Then just to kind of do a really quick review of these clips so that I don't forget. These two floral felt clips are from Freckled Unicorn Planner. And this Bedazzled O is from the Peach Palmetto. I have acetate here from Michaels, vellum from Hobby Lobby, more vellum from Hobby Lobby. They have really good vellum choices. This is just a list insert, and I just write random lists in here. I keep random things, like for example, I'm writing down some baby shower outfits for myself if I want to do a dress or a jumper or a skirt, things like that. So it's literally just a line insert from Annie Plans. This is the rest of that vellum acetate. I have a personalized Penelope from Kimmy Plans. And she also has an Instagram specifically for these now. It's called Penelope.n.friends. So you can find, if you just follow Kimmy, she has her Instagram linked. You have to get like in line. You usually have to DM her to get one of these. So this is just my personal Penelope drinking a little Starbucks caramel macchiato. Paper here's from Michaels. Paperback here's from Michaels. This is Throw Fucks Around Like Confetti. This is from Creative Keo. So as you can see the hands, she has glitter nail polish. I thought it was just really cute. This is actually something, this is not a dashboard. Well, it is a dashboard, but it's one that I got printed and laminated by Golden Plans Co. And oops, I forgot to tell you guys, these longer ones, you guys can see, it doesn't bother me too much, but there are longer dashboards in here. These are from 1407 Planners. So those are the longer ones, and then the ones that are kind of, that fit better in the TN are from Foxy Fix. So it wouldn't look as crazy if I had all of the same kind, but I didn't want to wait for Foxy Fix to mail them, so I got some 1407 ones from someone off of Instagram. Okay, so this is, like I said, from Golden Plans Co. So it came like this, laminated. You can get these for pocket. I believe she has B6 and one other size for strings, and she also has dashboards for rings, select sizes. So today, actually, before I film this, I've decided to put $2 spot pockets in here so I can house some extra sticker sheets and also die cuts. As you guys can see, I have my die cuts in here. So these are just the adhesive dollar spot pockets from Target, and usually I think they're available around back to school time. This vellum here is from Hobby Lobby. This is a baby insert from Annie Plans. And just to kind of give you guys all know, you should all know by now, I am 24 and a half weeks pregnant at this point, and I am having a boy, just to kind of catch up those who may have not known or seen my gender reveal and things like that. But this is what it looks like. It just gives you a week by week breakdown. There's some stuff in the front, which I'm not going to show because those are names in the front. But you have name idea paper in the front, and then in the back here, it's like your hospital bag. Yeah, your hospital bag. I haven't gotten too far. Obviously, I need all of those things, but those are my hospital bag packing list, and then you just have like a random sheet of note paper. So I personalized the cover. You can just do this in PDF, the Adobe Acrobat Reader. They have really easy tutorials on how you can just kind of add your own descriptions in there with typing. So there's the rest of that vellum. Again, like I said, the dollar spot adhesive pockets from Target. These two die cuts are from Golden Plans Co. and they came with my Dare to Dream mini kit. And sorry, I forgot to tell you guys where these came from. Both Golden Plans Co. This came from that same Dare to Dreams mini kit. It was like the die cuts that match this four-page mini sticker kit. And then this is just a die cut from Golden Plans Co. Starbucks, of course. And I love that this is a Starbucks cup as well. All right, so like I said, this is really a neat thing. I really like it. It's laminated very well, and it's very vibrant. I love Beyonce. So here we have Beyonce. This is from Capital Cheek Designs, but when I purchased this, it was pink bow ties, just to kind of give you guys some insight. This paper in the back, I believe actually this paper is from Joann's this time. This paper, I think this is double-sided, so I think both of these are from Joann's. This quote right here is from Creative Keo. This vellum is from Michaels. Then this is an Annie Plants insert. Excuse me, it's a lined insert, and this is where I track my social media stats and activity. Like, I jot down video ideas, I track my YouTube stats and my Instagram stats as well in here. And again, you guys remember the this clip is from Peach Palmetto. I do have 2 other ones from her. I had 4 total, but somehow, some way I lost the others, just to kind of give you guys a view of her work. They're really, really sparkly. But yeah, they're kind of heavy too. So like for my pocket, I can only really have 1 in here because I don't want it to break. Then back here, I just have some random Annie Plants codes. I don't even know if they're still active, but I have some other ones. This is another quote from Creative Keo, and it's a Cardi B quote. So then I put a Cardi B die cut here, and this is from Golden Plants Co. The paper is from Michaels. That is from Michaels. This Cardi B sticker set is from Pink Bow Ties, which is now Capital Chick Designs. This is another quote from Creative Keo. This bow is from Banana Doodle Shop. This is Angelique. This she reminds me of my sister. This is a die cut from Golden Plants Co. This is also a die cut from Golden Plants Co. The paper in the back is from Michaels. It's reversible. I love having reversible paper because it makes it that much easier to do your setups. So that's kind of why you guys keep hearing me say reversible, reversible, reversible. That's why I have so much reversible stuff in here. These die cuts, this floral paper clip and this Enjoy are from Golden Plants Co. And then this I got in a freebie from the Paperly Boutique. The owner is Alex. More acetate from Michaels. More vellum from Michaels. This is vellum from Hobby Lobby. I always remember that. And then what is this? Oh, this is my food log. So being pregnant, I have decided to track my carbs a little bit more and my sugar intake. I'm trying not to eat anything with added sugar at all. I do have slip ups here and there. I do have cravings, but for the most part, I'm trying to lower my carb and sugar intake. So in order for me to do that and keep honest with myself, I bought this food log from List Lab, and I will link everybody as down below. As if I forget anyone, just pop me a comment. But it's undated, so I love that. And you have a spot for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and water intake. There are spaces for calories. I'm not really counting my calories. Me and my baby need, the calories that we need. And I'm aware that I'm still getting the correct amount of calories. I'm more so just concerned with my carb intake. So I'm making sure I'm not having so much breads. I haven't had white pasta in over a week, which is so hard for me. And I haven't had white rice either. I switched over to whole grain bread and things like that. So this is what this is for. It's something that I use daily, just to kind of give you guys a snapshot here. So I haven't eaten anything yet this Saturday morning, but I definitely take this. This is why it's in here, because this is my on-the-go planner. So if I'm out having lunch with my sister or anybody, I can come right in here after I eat, track the time, and put in what I ate. And tracking the time is important because I want to eat just about every 2 hours, and not full meals every 2 hours. I'll have breakfast, and then 2 hours after that, I want a little bit of a snack depending on when I have breakfast. So just to kind of give you guys a little bit of insight on what I'm tracking, what I'm using those for. And it does not have, I didn't write anything on it yet. I should have before I filmed this video, but I'm gonna probably print a really cute sticker for that. Then back here, just have the rest of that vellum. Then we have some beautiful die cuts from Golden Plants Co. I love this girl with her glittery rings and her glittery nails. Both of these die cuts are from Golden Plants Co. Then this is reversible paper again. That's the back of that reversible paper. This is a die cut from Golden Plants Co. This is also a die cut from Golden Plants Co. This is that paper, that like teal glitter paper from Michaels. Then we have some paper from Michaels here, and this is another die cut from Golden Plants Co. And then back here, I just have this polka dot acetate from Michaels, vellum from Michaels, and then this is my built insert from Annie Plants printables. So I just track my bills in there, and then this here is a ollie clip that I actually got from the Container Store. I don't know what that is. I think it's bobby pin, like covering or something. This is just my page marker. This is from Banana Doodle Shop a long time ago. I don't even know if she still has it in her shop. And then this is another one of my, excuse me, another one of my custom Penelopes. And then the paper that I have back here is just, I laminated some glitter cardstock from Michaels. I put a Target dollar spot pocket on here so that I can slip things in and out. Usually I hold stickers in there, but there's nothing in there right now. And then lastly, the end here, I think didn't I tell you this paper is from Joann's. This is a, excuse me, let me get a drink of water. Okay, sorry. This is a die cut from Golden Plants Co. And then back here, just more paper from Michaels or Joann's. And then I just had my sister test out a pen and on my notes, and I just liked how she wrote it, so I kept it. But this is a Post-it packet from the Dollar Spot. And back here, last but not least, I have some stickers from Creative Keo. They just says bills. Some more acetate from Michaels. I have some Golden Plans Co. Fraps, some Golden Plans Co. Aaliyah stickers, and then this is just cardstock to kind of firm this up. This is my old meal planner. I took this out when I put in my my food log because I track my meals in one of my larger planners because that's the one that I take with me to the grocery store. Also, this planner did come with a pen loop. I wouldn't recommend it in the future. I would just use things like this because you could easily move those around. This sometimes becomes a pain. But yeah, that is my flip through of my pocket. It's working really well for me. I've mentioned this a couple times on Instagram. I'm really happy with my planner setup right now, totally. Like as a whole, I'm working in 3 different planners, this being one of them. And then I use my Louis Vuitton rings and I use my Erin Condren more as my creative outlet. This is also creative outlet, but it's also still really functional. So just to give you guys a view of the top, really cute and pretty, the side, the back, and I've had this for quite a while. I purchased this last summer, I think. Well, you guys saw a flip of it before, and it's gotten pretty chunky. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know down below, just to kind of give you guys an idea that you don't have to use like subscription boxes or kits necessarily to decorate your planner. You can go to Michaels and really make things your own. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye, everyone.